Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best travel cameras for 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best travel cameras for 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Tune till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. OM System OM5. The OM5 is the mid-range model in the OM System Micro Four Thirds range. Apart from some performance and processing tweaks, it's almost the same as the previous EM5 Mark III to handle and use, but that's okay, because this is still a smart, compact, and very powerful camera for adventure and travel fans everywhere, with brilliant stabilization, strong weatherproofing, and a great lens line. Up. OM System does compact mirrorless camera systems for photography better than anyone, using a Micro Four Thirds sensor that strikes an excellent balance between performance and size, not to mention a huge range of lenses available for all types of photography and budgets. The OM5 feels great in the hand, looks the part, and boasts superb image stabilization, meaning you can ditch the tripod and pack light. It was a minor update of the EM5 III, but in 2024 it remains one of the best travel cameras for enthusiasts. The OM System OM5 is kind of new. Number 2. Ricoh GR IIIx. If you want a truly pocketable camera with excellent image quality, the Ricoh GR IIIx is one of our top picks. It packs an APS-C sensor, the kind you usually find on bigger mirrorless cameras. It's also equipped with a fixed 40mm f/2.8 lens, which has the ideal focal length for everyday photography. The two together, combined with lovely in-camera color profiles, mean the GR IIIx is capable of rich, pin-sharp stills. We found its clever snap focus setting is also particular. Number 3. Nikon Z FC. Travel photography is all about capturing memories, and Nikon Z FC fully embraces the concept of nostalgia. It's a stunning homage to the analog Nikon FM2, complete with retro styling, dimensions, and dials. Despite the throwback design, it's a very modern camera inside, sharing many of its specs with the capable Nikon Z50. Our tests found that its 20.9 MP APS-C sensor does a stellar job of capturing stills and 4K video, aided by reliable tracking autofocus. The ZFC has an excellent handle on noise too, especially under ISO 800, while dynamic range was impressive. Its vari-angle touchscreen is also a brilliant addition, making it easy to frame travel selfies, or folding away completely for a leatherback look that lets you pretend it's the 80s. The Nikon ZFC isn't as sturdy as the camera that inspired it. There's no weatherproofing, for example, but it's still a beautifully unique camera for casual use. And with dedicated dials for ISO, shutter SP. Number 4. GoPro Hero 13 Black. If you're looking for a high-resolution action camera that's as comfortable shooting smooth videos as it is crisp photos, then the GoPro Hero 13 Black tops the bill. It's a limited update to previous models, the Hero 11 Black and Hero 12 Black, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Those cameras were already highly capable. You get the same 1/1.9 in sensor with a versatile 8:7 aspect ratio, which lets you reframe for social without sacrificing quality. While its max resolution of 5.3K/60p beats the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. You can also pull 27MP stills from 5.3K video. Design-wise, there's no change here. It's physically identical to its predecessors, meaning the same accessories are compatible. However, it comes with a larger capacity, and Duro battery is standard for GoPro's best battery life yet, up to 2.5 hours of run time, giving more time between recharges on the road. The same interface lets you tweak the user experience with easy and pro modes to suit your skill level. Superior Horizon Lock and Hypersmooth 6.0 Smarts do a remarkable job of stabilizing handheld video. GoPro has brought back GPS with performance stickers, which was a frustrating omission from the Hero 12 Black, while arguably the standout feature is the new lens mod mount, which auto-detects any of the new HB series of lenses and ND filters, which includes a new macro lens mod. The system is supremely helpful, versatile, and opens up the camera. Number 5. Fujifilm X100VI. We'd class the Fujifilm X100VI as a niche premium compact camera, but the range is more popular than ever. The 6th generation model keeps all that users have grown to love about the X100 series: sharp fixed lens, large sensor, retro design, and unique hybrid viewfinder. But it also builds on the X100V with a higher resolution 40MP sensor and in-body image stabilization. The result is a significantly more versatile camera. For example, the digital teleconverter can crop into the full image for 50mm at 20MP and 70mm at 10MP focal length looks, while stabilization lets you shoot slower shutter speeds in low light. Other key improvements over the X100V include more detailed 6K video and Fujifilm's best ever autofocus that includes advanced subject detection for photo and video. You can rely on the X100VI as a discreet everyday camera to document the world around, especially your travels, and it comes with 20 film simulation color profiles inspired